There's 162 steps in making a hat and about 66 pairs of hands that each hat will go through. It's a lot of work. We've got about 125 staff working here on the workshop floor. Most of them are locals to Kempsey. It's pretty special to have such a big workforce all being local to the town. We're one of the only hat manufacturers in the world that actually makes them start to finish. It's pretty important that we maintain that because it's definitely a dying skill. And that's what makes Akubra so special, is we're locally made by Australians for Australians.